Want to have long-lasting sex with your partner without facing problems like erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation? Need some tips on how to enhance your sex life without doing much of the hard work? Believe it or not, premature ejaculation has become one of the most common problems these days and has left many men crying. Sex life has always been a matter of concern and has left many relationships fall to pieces. Since ages, this problem has been haunting many men and has been a disaster in the life of couples. As per a survey conducted in the year 2012, it has been determined that around two-thirds of the world population is suffering from a problem like premature expulsion. Also, it has been confirmed that such problem occurs on its own and has no relation with the physical ability of a person. So, there is nothing to feel embarrassed of, as it has become quite common these days and can easily be taken care of by taking a few precautions. Written below are some effective techniques that can help you resolve a problem like premature ejaculation. Technique number 1. Try different sex positions. It is important that you try different sex positions and execute the one that helps your muscles relax and takes away all the excessive pressure from your body. Also, this will help you control the early ejaculation and make your partner feel fully satisfied. Technique number 2. Try different muscle-building exercises. Exercises play an indispensable part when it comes to keeping you away from different sex-related problems and taking the excitement to the next level by keeping yourself fit and healthy. Furthermore, exercises are not just meant for men. Women too need to carry out some vital exercises in order to strengthen their pelvic region, which can further help in controlling ejaculation. There are plenty of exercises that can help you sustain a better sex life and increase your stamina level during sexual intercourse, which includes squats, hip rotation, leg extensions, dips, bench press, push-ups, pull-overs, etc. Technique number 3. Deep breathing. Breathing is the best way to control all your mental stress and tension. Also, this can help you control your heartbeat and trigger early ejaculation. Technique number 4. Masturbating quite often. It has been practically determined that masturbating a few hours before having sex can make you become more familiar with the actual sexual response that occurs at the time of intercourse. Also, you can make use of the start and stop method that plays a great part in building your sexual stamina and controlling early ejaculation.